Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and hope you already got the topic which we are going to discuss today. It's difference between smoke and sanity testing. It's one of the important question which being asked during these days by the MNCs, like what is even from SDET position, automation tester or manual tester, whatever. In any of the interview, it is the one of the most important question and basic question which being asked nowadays. So we are going to discuss this first at a very priority. And before proceeding further, I would request you all, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And if you really like the video, then only please press the uh, like icon. Otherwise, if you don't like something, just comment it down what where, so that we can improve ourselves and so that I can work on it. Okay. So proceeding further, so first of all, so what is smoke testing? Smoke testing, basically we used to perform to ascertain mainly the critical functionalities, which are the main functionalities of a product or of software, the critical which would going to be impacted. So mainly we are focusing on only on uh, only on critical functionalities, critical critical func- functionalities. Okay. So while in sanity testing, it's basically we are doing to check something like if we have fixed a bug or a new functionality got introduced into our system. So after that, we need to run sanity testing. So like a new functionality or bug is fixed. So after that, we used to do sanity testing, we can say after means our server got down, and after server got up, means we are starting our application. And after making our application up, so we are just checking just a flow of our application, and we are just checking by just running a simple test case. So that includes a smoke testing. And like, let's suppose our developer said that he fixed something, and you need to check whether that particular bug is fixed or not, or new functionality is added to our system. So for this we are doing the sanity testing. And mainly, if we say smoke testing, why we are doing the smoke testing? Just to check the stability. To check the stability, we used to do, no, we used to run our smoke test and do the smoke testing. And while in the case of sanity, we are checking the rationality of the system. Means in order to proceed for rigorous testing or something like this. And while smoke testing is just the stability, means in the earlier example only I have given, like uh, after server got up, we started back our system, our application. So we are just checking the stability, and we are just focusing on this critical functionalities, while in sanity we are much more focused on new functionalities. Means is it working fine or not, or whether our bug is fixed, really fixed or not. So for in that case we are doing it sanity. Okay. So we can say smoke testing is a part of acceptance testing, part or subset of acceptance testing. Okay, like means after, if our means critical functionality is working fine, and like we are on the release part, and on the release part we are just running the critical functionality test cases only, and just checking the acceptance tests only, while this sanity is a part of regression testing. Regression testing. Mhm. So in this, sorry, yeah, for sanity, we are running the suit, regression suit, some like a automation test suit we used to have. So for that, we used to do regression testing just to check that a particular bug is fixed, or again means it's linked to this only. It means like we are running all the failed test cases which got failed earlier, and that bug means we got bug just because of bug. We some test cases are failing. After that bug is fixed, we are running the regression suit, means the fixes or the patch which is got included into the system doesn't interrupted already running the system. So for that we need to run our regression suit. Okay, hope everything is clear till now. Okay, and then next point is coming, like smoke testing, like it's a part of acceptance testing. So we can say it's we exercise the entire system from end to end testing, it includes. So we exercise ex- exercise end to end testing, to end testing, sorry. Uh, okay, okay, but while in the in the case of sanity testing, we exercise only particular component of the entire system. Means like as we are only focusing on the new functionality or bug fixed, so we are not checking the whole system. We are just focusing on a particular component. So it's a particular component. So just you need to remember only this thing, and all the points which under this part you will easy to remember. There is no issues remembering uh, all these parts. Means like you can correlate each each point, and you can answer during your interview to your interviewers. Okay, so like smoke testing is generally like checking the stability, and so why we are doing it. So we can say it's a general health health checkup. So it's general health checkup, like so we started the whole system. We are just checking whether our system is stable, everything is working fine, just running some test cases which is end to end, means which is covering the whole system, entire system. So we can say end to end we are checking. So general health checkup we are doing it, whether our system is working fine or not. While in case of sanity, we can say it's a part of specialized health checkup. Means okay, health checkup. Okay, 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 I missed a said, I guess. Okay, double said. Okay, so in case of sanity, we are saying as we are only focusing on particular components, so we can say it's a specialized health checkup. We are much more focused on the on particular component. So it's a more of specialized kind of thing we can say. Okay, so coming to like uh, smoke testing can be done by a developer, dev, or even testers as well. So there is nothing important like who is going to perform the stability. Means even dev can perform it, means to check the stability, and even tester can check the stability of a system, while smoke testing is performed by mainly testers only, because once a new functionality is coming to into picture and or bug is fixed, so tester is the one who is going to confirm that our system is fine, or means everything is working fine for that particular component. So we can say only the tester is mainly the person who is going to perform this testing, while in case of smoke, again dev can also perform this to check the stability check, or tester can also perform, and there is nothing uh, related to that, who is going to perform. Okay. And mainly like if we are doing the stability part, so we can say it's a documented part. Means it's already documented somewhere, and that these are the basic thing which needs to be passed, get it should be get passed. If our system is fine, working fine, then there is should it there somewhere it would be documented that on the stability of the system these conditions should be passed, so it would be documented part, we can say. While in sanity, it's not, we can say it's not documented, or not means unscripted part would be included under the sanity, not documented. Okay. Or we can say it's unscripted. So we have covered all these things. So smoke and like smoke and sanity, hope you guys got to know now the what is the main difference between smoke and sanity. You can say that means again coming up with the same example, like our system got down just because of server down, server crash or something. So after servers got fixed by our unix team, or by the infra team, they made that the server is back again, you can start your system. Then we are just checking our critical functionalities, we are just checking the stability. It's a means once a server is up, we are just doing the acceptance testing. So and even we are checking end-to-end testing, because we are performing whether a simple flow means a simple flow is working fine or not. So it's a general health checkup, anyone can perform, anyone means dev or tester, anyone among these, or it's also a documented part. So hope you guys liked the session. If you don't, just comment it down what part is confusing or something, and please press the bell icon and subscribe and share with your friends as well. And we will see in another session. Have a good day and take care of your family and yourself as well. Thank you. Have a great day.